Do you ever find yourself looking at your muscles, perhaps in the mirror, and feeling like they're just shrinking? You're eating healthy, maybe even staying active, but your strength seems to be slowly slipping away, leaving you less confident and mobile than you used to be. You might believe this fading strength is just an unavoidable part of getting older, something you have to accept. What if I told you that this loss of muscle isn't inevitable, but a silent enemy called sarcopenia, and that the key to fighting it back isn't a complex supplement, but something as simple and delicious as specific fruits you might already enjoy? The surprising truth is, your fruit bowl could hold powerful allies against muscle disappearance after 60, but most people overlook their true potential. Today, we're uncovering 5 surprising, science-backed fruits that actively combat sarcopenia, helping you reclaim your physical vitality and strength. And we're starting with the first powerful fruit right now. The first surprising fruit that helps combat age-related muscle loss is pomegranate. You might think of pomegranates as just a festive, juicy fruit, but for your muscles, they are a hidden powerhouse, especially after 60. The secret lies in a unique compound called urolithin A. As we age, our mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, become less efficient. This directly impacts muscle energy and function. Urolithin A, derived from compounds in pomegranates, has been shown in studies to promote mitophagy, a process where your body cleans out old, damaged mitochondria and replaces them with new, healthy ones. Think of it like a cellular deep clean for your muscles' energy factories. By improving mitochondrial function, pomegranate helps your muscles produce energy more efficiently, which is crucial for maintaining strength and fighting sarcopenia. It essentially re-energizes your muscle cells from within. But here's the crucial part: for any of these benefits to work, you need to know how to incorporate these fruits effectively. It's not just about eating them, it's about unlocking their full potential. We'll reveal exactly how to best consume these fruits, but first, let's look at another powerful fruit that brings incredible anti-inflammatory benefits to your muscles. The second surprising fruit that helps combat sarcopenia is apples with peel. You probably see apples as a simple, everyday fruit, but don't overlook their immense power, especially after 60. The key to their muscle-preserving benefits lies significantly in their peel, which is packed with a compound called oxalic acid. Scientific research, particularly in animal studies, has shown that oxalic acid can help reduce muscle atrophy, wasting, and promote muscle growth. It works by reducing the activity of genes that promote muscle breakdown and increasing the activity of genes that promote muscle building. This makes the apple, especially with its peel, a powerful natural tool in the fight against sarcopenia. Furthermore, apple peel is rich in fiber and antioxidants like quercetin, which also help reduce inflammation throughout the body, creating a healthier environment for your muscles to thrive. The third surprising fruit, often thought of for digestive health, but with hidden benefits for muscle and bone strength, are prunes, dried plums. These humble dried fruits are a nutritional powerhouse often underestimated for their impact on age-related decline. While known for their fiber content, which aids digestion and gut health, indirectly supporting nutrient absorption for muscles, prunes also offer surprising benefits for bone health, which is intricately linked to muscle strength. They contain a unique combination of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, boron, and potassium, which play crucial roles in bone mineral density. Strong bones provide a stable framework for your muscles, allowing them to exert force effectively. Some research even suggests that compounds in prunes may have anti-inflammatory effects and can support overall cellular health, creating a more favorable environment for muscle preservation. Now we've covered some amazing benefits, but as I mentioned, unlocking them depends on how you eat them. The secret to maximizing their benefits is often in their preparation or combination. For pomegranates, consume them regularly. You can eat the arrows seeds directly, add them to salads, or drink 100% pomegranate juice, unsweetened, in moderation. For apples, always eat them with the peel, as that's where the oxalic acid is concentrated. Wash them thoroughly and enjoy them whole. For prunes, a small serving daily is key. Aim for 5 to 6 prunes, about 50 grams, as a snack. Now let's continue with the list. The fourth surprising fruit is a creamy, versatile option, more commonly seen as a savory item, but botanically a fruit, offering unique fat-soluble benefits for your muscles. The fourth surprising fruit that powerfully combats sarcopenia is avocado. While most fruits are known for their sugar content, avocados are unique in their composition. They are incredibly rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major enemy of aging muscles, contributing to muscle breakdown and hindering recovery. By actively reducing this inflammation, avocados create a more favorable environment for muscle preservation and rebuilding. Beyond healthy fats, avocados are also packed with potassium and magnesium, two electrolytes crucial for optimal muscle contraction, nerve function, and preventing cramps that can deter physical activity. They also provide B vitamins that support energy metabolism. The healthy fats in avocado also help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamin E, from other foods, which protect muscle cells from damage. The fifth surprising fruit, a small, vibrant berry that's a recovery powerhouse, especially after muscle-straining activities, tart cherries. These small, intensely flavored fruits are celebrated for their ability to significantly aid muscle recovery and reduce inflammation. They are packed with anthocyanins and other powerful antioxidants that have strong anti-inflammatory properties. After physical activity, muscles undergo microscopic damage and inflammation. Tart cherries help to significantly reduce this exercise-induced muscle damage and inflammation, leading to faster recovery and less soreness. Faster, more efficient recovery means you can train more consistently and effectively, which is vital for building and maintaining muscle. Beyond this, tart cherries are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Quality sleep is crucial for muscle repair and growth, as growth hormone release peaks during deep sleep. So, how do you incorporate these remaining fruits for maximum benefit? For avocados, include half an avocado in your daily diet. Add it to salads, spread it on whole grain toast, or blend it into smoothies to get its healthy fats and muscle-supporting minerals. For tart cherries, consume them strategically. Drink 8 to 10 ounces of 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice, not from concentrate, 30 to 60 minutes before bed, or consume a handful of fresh or frozen tart cherries regularly. These 5 science-backed fruits, pomegranate, apples with peel, prunes, avocado, and tart cherries, offer a powerful combination of unique compounds, anti-inflammatory agents, antioxidants, essential vitamins, and minerals. They actively support your body's ability to combat age-related muscle loss by improving mitochondrial function, supporting muscle protein synthesis, reducing inflammation, aiding recovery, strengthening bones, and protecting cells. They are not substitutes for protein or resistance exercise, but they are indispensable allies, creating the optimal cellular environment where your muscles can thrive and be preserved. To recap, preventing muscle disappearance after 60 is not a passive battle you must accept. It's a strategic fight where specific fruits can play a crucial role. By consistently including pomegranates, apples with peel, prunes, avocados, and tart cherries in your diet, you provide your muscles with the powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and essential nutrients they need to recover efficiently, fight breakdown, and stay strong. This is your delicious defense against sarcopenia. Taking this one small step to incorporate these science-backed fruits into your daily diet could make a profound difference in your muscle health, strength, and overall vitality. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell immediately if you found this information valuable and actionable. Show this video to a loved one who is over 60 and concerned about maintaining their strength. This simple strategy could be incredibly valuable for them. After learning about these 5 science-backed fruits, which one will you commit to adding to your daily routine to help combat age-related muscle loss? Share your choice in the comments below.